politics. It can also make or break healthcare in the Philippines. But information is at the tip of our hands. But we really have to consider the role of each stakeholder. There's a role of a patient using that information, but we also have to empower the role of the expert in this spectrum. In as much as it can have an advantage and a disadvantage when you have information overload for all patients. Because what we don't want to happen is that they would now navigate themselves on how to treat cancer, on how to treat lung. What will happen is that if you try to look at Google, try to Google lung cancer, it will have 250 million search hits. So we really have to emphasize to them, do not navigate this. There are experts who can help you. And not only that, we would like to empower patients for self-simulation. We would like them to say, ako ba itong pinag-uusapan nila na nalilito that has risk? But we also have to empower our experts, the presence of experts in this platform.